Hey everyone, so this is the Roborock Saros 10R. So this is a flagship robot vacuum and mop combo that pairs ultra thin 79.8 millimeter profile with the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 navigation and a 10-in-1 multifunctional dock. So it's positioned to be as one of the most advanced hands-off cleaners for complex, cluttered homes, and it's also very great on a lot of surface. As you can see, no matter the type of surface that it does, it just picks up everything. And for the mopping section, it does extremely great. These stains have been left here for hours to fully dry. And then this Roborock just picks up everything and cleans it up really, really easily. It just takes a few passes and then it will definitely clean it up and it won't stop until it's fully cleaned. And this thing has an extremely solid LiDAR system and it can recognize up to like 108 objects. So it will definitely avoid a lot of things that will be on its way when it's cleaning around. So yeah, that's about it. Give it a check out and have a good day.